Hello everyone. In this video I will show you step by step how to log out of Mobile Legends on your mobile device. First, open the Mobile Legends app on your phone. Wait for the game to load until you reach the main lobby screen where you can see your hero profile, events, and the start button for matches. From here, look at the top left corner of your screen. You will see your profile picture and your account name. Tap on your profile picture to open the account settings. When you tap on your profile, a new window will appear with several tabs at the top such as Account, Profile, and Achievements. You need to focus on the Account tab. This is where all the account management options are located. Once you are in the Account tab, scroll down until you see the option for Account Center. Tap on Account Center to open it. Inside the Account Center, look for the option called Device Management and tap on it. To completely log out from Mobile Legends, you need to tap on the Log Out button. The game will then ask you to confirm your choice. A message will pop up asking if you really want to log out of your account. Select Yes to confirm. That is all you need to do to log out of Mobile Legends. Thanks for watching.